Anders, let's talk about customer journeys and how to create them.
Yeah, I mean, I think that there are four-step ladder you need to go through to make this happen. And the first and important one is to understand why you should have the screen, what is the purpose for the screen, where to place it and so on. Because it's not just to put the screen on the wall, you need to have some thinking behind it. Then you need to have a fantastic technical platform so you can do whatever you want with that screen. And then you need to have fantastic content as well. So with those three things, you're ready to go. And then the fourth one is constant evaluation, because you need to understand what is working for this end customer and this client to drive their sales, improve their brand, or whatever needs they have.
So your second step was cool tech.
Yes.
What are you playing around with currently?
I mean, a big thing, it's a lot of buzzwords in technology, and the big thing right now is machine learning and AI, and I think that is something that's here to stay. And we're doing a lot of things with McDonalds right now where we can increase the sales just with machine learning. It's really cool. So we change the content differently for each different store in Sweden in the drive-thru to increase the sales. And that will be here to stay because that really works.
And in terms of technology, it's always between stability and the latest cool tech. Where's your balance there?
I think we're testing the cool stuff, but a lot of cool stuff never works, never flies. I mean, you can go back, if I talk with beacons with you, we'll probably laugh, because beacons was so hot for a while. Yeah. Then it was talking to devices was so hot for a while as well. Now you have it at home, hey Google and this, but it's never taken off, to be honest, really in the stores. So a lot of things are really cool, but they didn't bring so much business value in the stores.
So then let's go to content. You said you also need great content, and yes. You're one of the few companies or integrators who have own content production.
Yes.
Why is that?
I think that's key, because for many clients their agency is really good at creating posters, still content, but to make things movable has not been their strength. And the other thing is the cost side. They used to use TV commercial, which is really expensive to shoot. Because we can do things for really a fraction of the cost that looks really good in our studio. And that brings value to the screen and to the end customer.
Okay, are you doing it? Can you name a few examples? Who are you doing content for?
Yeah, we're doing content for very many companies, especially for menu board. So we do like for 7-Eleven, we do for McDonalds, together with the agency, of course. And we also do for Blomsterlandet, a flower shop. Mm-hmm. So, and there we also said before, we do their TV commercials even. So we come from the other end there, from the screens to the TV, in a really cost-efficient way.
So it's not about scaling down broadcast, but scaling up from low cost base.
Exactly, and you have all this cost already. You have the cost to the social media channels you have for the web, you have for the TV promotions you do, and for the digital screens. So we do them all in one.
You talked about dynamic content before, using data for that. How do you feel about getting this data using sensors?
I mean, dynamic content will be the future, and for many clients we do fully automated content creation with templates then, and really nice content still. And that will be the way forward, because you cannot have different islands or kind of promotion engines. You need to have dynamic driven content. They need also to be local adjusted. So you need to adjust the content depending on the location.
But do you also do it real time and using camera sensors, sensing people in front of the screens?
Absolutely. We have used a lot of tests with the cameras looking at gender and age, and we could drive the sales several % using this technology. But the problem is with GDPRS. A lot of our clients don't dare to have the cameras there anymore, because they don't want the clients to feel like they are recognized. Even if they're approved by the law in some countries, it's still a bit of a gray zone.
Okay, how's Nordics consumers behaving? I know that from Germany, people don't accept some of the cameras.
No, they want to be a bit anonymous. I think that we're quite used to see cameras, so it's not that you could have a camera sitting somewhere. It's more like if it comes to the press, that the company's brand will be, okay, when you enter the store, they will check your age and gender. It just feels bad for some of our clients, I would say. So it's more like a sense, not illegal.